Breaking news out of Alexandria, Virginia. A stunning development today in the federal case against former FBI Director James Comey. A development so unusual that longtime court reporters called it gobsmacking. Inside a federal courtroom, Judge Michael Nachmanoff pressed prosecutors with a simple question. Was the final indictment ever shown to the full grand jury? And after tense whispering, shifting papers, and visible discomfort at the prosecution table, the Justice Department admitted, no. For the first time, prosecutors confirmed that the operative indictment, the very document Comey is being prosecuted under, was never presented to the full grand jury and never formally returned. This revelation sent shockwaves through the courtroom. Reporters say the room went completely silent as the judge leaned back in his chair, visibly stunned. Here's what this means. At first, the grand jury was asked to approve 3 different charges against Comey. They voted no indictment. Later, prosecutors revised the indictment, removing 1 charge and keeping 2, but never took that revised indictment back to the full grand jury. Only the foreperson signed it. That's not how the federal system is supposed to work. Comey's defense team immediately argued the obvious. If the grand jury never approved this indictment, then this entire case is invalid and must be dismissed. The judge did not rule today, but he ordered both sides to file additional arguments, and he pointed them toward case law from another district that may support Comey's position. But that wasn't the only explosive moment. Defense lawyers also laid out years of statements from former President Donald Trump, tweets, Truth Social posts, public remarks, all calling for Comey to be prosecuted. They argued this case is a clear example of selective and vindictive prosecution, driven by political animus. Adding to that tension, the judge even asked prosecutors directly if lead attorney Lindsay Halligan was acting as a puppet or stalking horse for Trump. Prosecutors denied it, but today's admission only raises more questions. So what happens next? If the judge agrees the indictment process was improper, this case could be thrown out entirely. Some legal experts say today's revelation dramatically improves Comey's chances. For now, all eyes are on the written arguments due later today, and on Judge Nachmanoff, who now holds the future of this case in his hands. This is a developing story, and we will continue to follow every turn. If you want more breaking updates like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.